Thinking about taking the TSX for a little drive today. Figured I'd check my oil level first. I'm overdue for an oil change, but I think we'll be fine with one more drive on this oil. We're good, actually a little over. This car really doesn't burn oil at all. So we're good on oil. I don't really know where I'm going today, but I do know I just want to drive. I have a therapy appointment pretty much once a month with a psychiatrist, and I do therapy every Tuesday with a psychologist. This has been, psychologist appointments have been pretty much for the last almost 3 years now, and the psychiatrist has been for a little over a year. I used to think this kind of stuff didn't really help, but it actually does. It's gotten me out of some sticky situations. Like I said, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going. Got a lot of things going on in life right now. I don't really know what the future holds for me right now, but all I can do is take everything one day at a time, put my best foot forward, and make sure I'm doing everything I can do to put myself in the best possible situation, which I have done to this point. I really like this off-ramp. But as far as like the whole situation that I have going on right now, it's something involved in the workplace. But I was involved in an incident at work, and it has taken a toll on me for sure. And it's not something I wish upon anybody, but it is, for lack of, I guess, a better term, it's definitely taken me out over the past couple of years, almost 3 years now, that I've been dealing with this. And it is one of those situations in life where very few people even experience anything like this. And when you do experience it, the chances of what happening to me happening to other people is very low. I guess during the years of therapy, I find that talking about things does actually help some. And I figure, why not say something about it? Because it's weighing pretty heavily on me today, and I'd much rather not be filled with rage today. So I figured I'd talk to the camera. And to whoever listens, I'm currently going to go drive on a road exiting the town I live in. It'll take me over to another small town. I just like the road a lot. I'm hoping it's empty. If it's not empty, then, you know, hey, you know, you win some, you lose some, but I'm hoping it's empty. I think over the past couple of years or so, I've really gotten it into my mind that other people are just as entitled to the road as I am. Because I used to get upset when the roads weren't empty, but I mean, what can I really say? These people pay taxes just like I do. Coming up on it, doesn't seem like there's anybody that turned left here, which is just cool beans. I like this road a lot. It's very short, but I like it. This car would sound really good with an exhaust. I just don't know which exhaust I would put on this car. If I did have a gripe though about the K-Series engine, especially like with the aftermarket tunes like that's on this car, the VTEC engagement is just way too low for my liking. I understand the engine probably responds better with a VTEC engagement being lower on a K-Series, but up in the rev range where the crossover happens, higher up, sounds so much better to me. I really like that road though. Like I said, it's short, but it's a nice, smooth, paved road. And there's usually not a lot of traffic on it. Shut it down for now. I might throw another clip in here, but if I don't, whoever watches to this point in the video, you know, I appreciate the support that the channel gets. For this to be my second time on YouTube again, and to be able to get back to this point to where people actually still watch after almost like 10 years before when I was on YouTube, to be able to come back and still have people decide that they still want to watch the content that I make is pretty cool. Even though admittedly this time around I largely use my YouTube account as it's pretty much just like stress relief, like kind of like an open diary kind of thing. Just let people know that they're not the only ones struggling with things. And a lot of my titles on the shorts are pretty much all of the titles on the shorts are they reflect what's basically going on in my life at the time, or just something I'm thinking about. So a lot of the times people just won't understand what the titles to my videos mean, which, you know, hey, it's all part of it, I guess. But I really do hope these videos help. If anything, just pass the time of your day. I'm gonna cut my camera off and upload something pretty soon.